In my own capacity, I have given the letter to the suppliers and told them to go to the deputy collector's office, show this letter, and they will give you the pass. So my letter for them is valid, and deputy collector will issue them the required passes. Right now, there are no passes required because the Ministry of Home, Delhi, Ministry of Home Affairs has given clear notification, and Honorable Prime Minister also has said that all vehicles carrying essential should not be checked or even stopped. So all essentials can come into Goa or any state, and all grocery shops, all supermarkets have to be kept open, but social distancing have to be maintained of nearly 2 meters. I'm not saying 1.5, 2 meters have to be maintained. The letter which is circulating of mine was given in good faith to bring vegetable items, to bring groceries into the state. I am not hoarding any this thing. I am not bringing the stock and keeping it with me. We are directly telling them to go and distribute. So today, most of the grocery shops have got the required items to be sold. ग्रॉसरी शॉपांकडे आयटम नासले, ग्रॉसरी शॉपांकडे आटा म्हणटा पळय तो नासलो, म्हणजे पीठ नासले. आमी फोन मारून बेलगांव जावं महाराष्ट्र जावन हांवें पर्सनली फोन मारल्यार, कलेक्टर नॉर्थान फोन मारल्यार तिका वालोर दिता हांव. इवन SP नॉर्थान फोन मारल्यार तेजे कावंटर पार्टाक की तुमी माल सोडपाक दिया म्हणून, आनी माल थिंगासून सोडला. पण आयज प्रायम मिनिस्टराचे क्लियर डायरेक्शन आहा की सगळ्यो इंटरस्टेट ज्यो व्हेकल्स आहा ट्रान्सपोर्टाच्यो त्यो सोडच्यो म्हणून. एट दॅट टायम त्रास कोत्ताले, चॅकपोस्टाचे त्रास कोत्ताले, जिंगा मंडी म्हणटा पळय ती, थिंगा जे बाजार आसता होलसेल मार्केट थिंगा भरपाक दिनासले, कर्फ्यू आसलो. तेन्ना आमी लेटर दिल्ले डिलरांक, एक 10-12 डिलरांक दिले की तुम्ही वसा कलेक्टरा कडेन म्हाजें लेटर दाखोया आनी तुमकां ते पास घेया आनी तुमी वसा आनी हाडा म्हणून. खूब जाणांनी पास घेवन वचून हाडले, आनी म्हाजें लेटर कोण मिसयूज करता पळय तें सारकें न्हू. ते कोणें प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑफिसाक कंप्लेन केला, कोणें आनी हूंय ऑफिसाक कंप्लेन केला, कोणें मिडियाचेर घातला. आय स्टँड बाय दॅट लेटर that for the people of Goa, for the people of Bardesh, I have given these letters to dealers to go and bring stocks. There is nothing wrong in that.
Do you have the powers to issue such letters when the Chief Minister has issued certain orders or certain
Chief Minister
guidelines?
Said, Chief Minister has said that these letters can be issued for travelling pass for vehicles by collector. So collector and itli dav podleli asli. Collector could not give priority whom he will give. There was no staff over there at that particular time. People were scared, even including the staff was scared to go and work. So many calls I got, sir, please cancel my order. I'm working for collectorate. Can you cancel my order? I said, this is emergency, you have to work. So how many people would be given? So when we gave some letters to a collector immediately issued passes. Deputy collector's office immediately issued passes. So it's a good letter. It is given in good faith.
Do you think this is a political stunt by the BJP-led government? Groceries items are found with all the MLAs, all the ministers and their political workers, but it is not found in the market. Why is it?
Grocery items, whoever MLA has bought is bought from the local market only, from the wholesaler, but he has not bought in such big stocks that it will not be made available. Why there is a shortage of groceries is because it is not coming from Belgaum, it is not coming from Kolhapur, it is not coming from Hubli, it is not coming from Maharashtra, districts of Maharashtra. They have to come in. So for them to come in, there has to be clearance from their collectors, from their SPs and the border check post of Goa. So now with the latest directions, with the latest circulars and orders from the central government and also from the orders from the state government, all borders are open for all essential goods. All essential goods can easily come in. First 3 days was a big problem, 4 days, 5 days was a big problem. That is the time we have given letter to collector. That travelling pass was given to that person to go to the collector and take a travelling pass that we want these stocks.
So you
There
stand...
is nothing wrong we have done by issuing such a letter so that collector can easily give that particular dealer or particular wholesaler to bring the stocks to Goa.
So you stand by your letter and you think
See,
it is
we-
nothing illegal in it.
Nothing illegal, because this letter of mine to bring the stocks is a thing that to the collector, that nobody will bring this stock and keep it in somebody's godown and increase the price. This letter was given so that this stock reaches some distributor in supermarket in Kalangut or in Mapsa or in anywhere in Bardez, and they would sell it. We have already sold so many vegetables also to Mapsa at a very, very reasonable price. So same letter was used to bring the vegetables over here. So now it is not required, such letters. Now it is all open.